Okay, the Interbank Algo. Okay, obviously, there's going to be times when the market goes sideways or it's in a consolidation, or what I refer to as a holding pattern. Now, when this happens, the market will be looking to do an expansion. Okay, so all markets start from a consolidation and move into an expansion. That means there's an impulse move or an impulse price swing. After that impulse swing, okay, either it goes back to a consolidation again, or it goes to a retracement. When the retracement happens, it goes back down into another level of expansion. Or after the expansion, it can go to a reversal pattern. After the reversal pattern, it'll see another retracement, then back to potentially a consolidation. These four conditions, they interchange throughout the ups and downs and ebbs and flow of the marketplace. You're only going to get one of these four conditions. Now you're probably saying, okay, well, that's a lot. I need to know one of these things to make a trade. No, you just need to know where it's at right now, where it's likely to go, and where it came from. And over the course of the month of September, you're going to get a lot of understanding about how to know where the market's going to go next. And that's going to fill in a lot of the gaps that you've had with teaching directional bias ICT. The main thing is the consolidation begins with everything. All the moves that take place in the marketplace start from a measure of consolidation, because that's where the markets are building orders. So the market maker keeps the market in a tight range or a defined range until there's enough money on both sides of the upper and lower end of the range that's being defined by the consolidation. Whichever one has the highest amount of money to be absorbed, that's the direction it's going to move in. We don't always know what that is, but we wait for the expansion. When the expansion occurs, that's when we get the clue as to what the market is most likely going to be doing. And then we wait for either a retracement or another consolidation or a reversal. But we always wait for the first expansion. That gives us all the insight that we need to make a decision. Now, sometimes it may expand so far that we can't do anything with it. We have to wait for the retracement or the next consolidation. There's nothing wrong with that. It's all normal. You're not going to catch every move. The main thing is just understanding these four individual characteristics to a trade setup, because price is delivered by one of these four conditions. It can't be any other way.